Deciphering the Phrase Spotter. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of English phrases, and our spotlight is on the term spotter. By the end of this video, you'll not only know what it means but also how and when to use it. Let's get started. A spotter is essentially someone who looks out for something. It's derived from the verb to spot, which means to notice or see something, especially when it's not easy to detect. Now, this general definition can apply to various contexts. Let's dive into a few of those. 1. Gym or fitness. In the realm of physical fitness, a spotter is someone who stands by to assist a person who is lifting weights. The spotter ensures safety by helping lift the weight if the person struggles, reducing the risk of injury. 2. Aviation and railways. A spotter here refers to enthusiasts who watch, notice, and often record the numbers or specific types of planes or trains. They're passionate about these vehicles and love keeping track of them. 3. Military and surveillance. In the military context, a spotter often works with a sniper, helping the sniper locate targets and often calling out distances, wind speeds, and other vital information. These are just a few contexts where the term is used. The underlying theme in all these scenarios is the act of watching out or noticing something. Now that we know what a spotter does, let's see how to use the term in everyday conversation. 1. When lifting heavy weights, always have a spotter with you for safety. 2. My friend is an airplane spotter. He can identify any aircraft just by its silhouette. 3. In the Army, the sniper always works closely with his spotter. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase spotter. It's an interesting term with a variety of uses, but the core idea is someone who looks out or notices things. We hope this video has been enlightening, and the next time you hear the term spotter, you'll know exactly what it means. Until next time, keep exploring the vast ocean of the English language.